What's going on? It's your boy Cartoon here with Cartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be discussing the Note 10 and the new leaks that has come out. Stay tuned. Alright, so there've been a bunch of leaks of the Note 10, how it's going to look. The Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus or the Note 10 Plus Pro. Who knows what it's going to be, but let's call it a Note 10. It looks beautiful. It really, really does look nice. Right now I'm thinking this is the Note 10 regular one. Um, Let me see if they have one. No, they don't. But it looks beautiful, by the way, man. It really, really does. It really does. I think it's gonna be a big, big boom, man. That phone is gonna be incredible. We're just gonna look at some of the details that might come in on the phone. So that One Plus and the price, the One Plus. So the Note 10, it looks beautiful. Right here, we got both of the versions right there. So one of them is the quote unquote 10 Note 10 Pro or Note 10 Plus. Who knows what name they're gonna give it? And the other one is gonna be the regular one. The bigger one is gonna be the Pro, obviously, and it has 5 cameras, which looks amazing. And the screen dot is definitely a plus. I mean, I was hoping there would be an in screen, but it's good enough right now compared to the other one. The smaller one looked even nicer too. So most of the things we probably gonna expect is the smaller one is gonna be 6.2, 6.3, and the bigger one is gonna be 6.7, 6.8. Who knows? But it's gonna be much much bigger. They try to make a different look on the Note 10 from the S10 5G, which I thank for that because you really couldn't. If they would have made it similar, you really couldn't tell the difference between them. It's gonna have a bigger battery. What I read about, it's gonna have about between. It's gonna be increased from the Note 9 by 500 milliamp, between 500 or 700 milliamp battery, which is gonna save you a lot of battery, especially with the Samsung One UI is gonna definitely gonna last you. It's gonna be a battery king for sure. I mean, I like all the renders that I have. One League plus Price Baba. They always on point when it comes to leaks. Like you've seen before, it's pretty nice. See, it says Note 10 Plus, so that's what I'm thinking. And this one you could tell that it has, if I'm not mistaken, up. No, that's just the regular one. Not bad. So I guess one is gonna be plus, another one is gonna be pro. Who knows? Who knows? But what I'm expecting and I'm hype about is how the phone is gonna react in your hand because with the Note 9 it was, I mean, I tried it, I never had it, but I had it for like a few days. I asked my little brother to lend it to me so I could use it and see how it is, and it was amazing. It was amazing. So all the good things are gonna come out. It's gonna have the Samsung One UI, Android Pie, Android 9 Pie. So Snapdragon 855, all the good stuff is gonna go up to 12. The Plus is gonna have that a time of flight sensor, which makes a lot of difference. The battery, the smaller one says it's gonna have 45, so I'm guessing the bigger one is gonna have uh 5,000 milliamp battery, which definitely gonna be very useful. 5,000, maybe even 5,100, not bad. We all know when it's gonna release. The event is gonna be August the 7th. So I guess after the event, you can pre-order them, and it's gonna ship out, like they said right here, roughly August 19th. So my opinion, I'm saving my money for that. I'm saving my money for that. When it comes to price, I think it's gonna be over $1,000. Maybe the little one would probably be 1,000 starting off, but the big one I think is gonna start off at 13, maybe 1,200, which is not bad for the phone you're getting. And it has a lot of features that a lot of people don't discuss, and I might do another video about it. So I'm definitely getting the Note 10 Plus or Pro, whatever I could get my hands on. I want the bigger one just because I'm a guy and usually small phones don't look right or feel right, me personally. So I'm definitely gonna get that. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this phone. Are you gonna get it? And what color would you like them to come out with? I want the white one. So there you go. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. It's your boy Cartoon. Peace.